Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels. And also I believe all my subscribers and viewers are in a good health and strong by the loving care of God. Thank you very much for your support to this channel of mine. I also request those who have not subscribed yet, please help out so that I continue to create more videos. Right now, I am on the way from Mairang to Ranikonau, Assam. We stop halfway to look at the beautiful valley covered with a thick grass. If we reach this place during a sunny day, we look at this valley and find exceedingly beautiful. As we see the valley and the beautiful mountain. But during the rainy season, we see a beautiful cloud. I praise all alone that God indeed is great. Unexpectedly, while we were standing there taking a breath, our friend from Assam, whom we had not met in a long time, arrived. We greeted each other and took photos to keep as a memory. Therefore, we are very happy on this day. And they are also very, very happy because they never expected to meet with us. That's all for now. Thank you very much. We will meet again in the next video. Oh, I forgot to mention that this valley is located in Nongklang. Thank you.